I'd like to welcome everybody to CKJ Crypto News. Guys, I got a lot of news this morning. A lot of stuff's going on in the world of Ripple XRP, that's for sure. There's an article that just came out that surfaced of Ripple Director basically saying that Ripple is here to replace Swift. We will highlight that clip. And also, I ran across an old video of CNBC actually showing a demo on how to purchase XRP. This is huge. This is kind of showing that XRP is going mainstream. This video is from early 2018. We will highlight that. And also there's talk of the NWO. Brad Garlinghouse said it's a new world order on his interview, and also somebody found an article that speaks of Ripple being New World Order. I don't know, it's kind of fun tinfoil hat stuff. Figure we'll talk about it a little bit. So let's get into this video, guys. First things first is Ripple Director, banks tapping into RippleNet to form a network to ditch Swift. So this is kind of huge. This actually article surfaced. Director at Ripple, Susan Anthony was spotted giving a presentation to an audience in a video that gone viral yesterday, but it was recorded in early October last month. In the video, she claimed that banks are tapping into RippleNet to form their own network. The senior executive of Ripple affirmed that banks are doing so to ditch the obsolete Swift system. And huge shout out to Stephen Dip. I actually found the highlighted I actually found the video on his page, and I've actually been checking his page out the last few days. It's Stephen Dip at DefSan. He actually does some really good research. We'll check out the first minute of this video.
So the bottom line of how this is getting used is that banks are basically plugging in, and there's a big group in the Middle East. There's also a big group in Asia. A big group of Japanese banks have just joined. So a lot of smaller countries are the early adopters, and they're setting up their own networks so they don't have to go through Swift, because Swift is somewhat archaic, and it also it goes slowly. Their messaging doesn't work very well, and then the smaller countries also feel they're very disadvantaged because it's sort of everything is going through a few large U.S. institutions.
Wow, that's amazing right there. You heard it from Ray from Ripple itself, the director at Ripple. We're working on developing a new network to replace Swift. It's like a dinosaur. Basically, that's what she said. She was a little lost for words. I guess because she had to choose very careful on the words she chose. To try to be respectful, of course, like, Brad Garlinghouse says, we're not here to disrupt. We're here to help. So, no reason to badmouth them. We know what the amazing technology that Ripple has, that's for sure. Now, this is the video right here. I will link this in the description. I can't play this one because I will catch a violation because it's a CNBC. How to buy Ripple, one of the hottest Bitcoin competitors. And this is Todd Hazelton. So I checked him out. This is a really interesting video too. If you don't know how to buy XRP, guys, he'll walk you through it in this video. I'll leave a link in the description. But what I thought was interesting is I looked up Todd Hazelton at RoboTodd. Basically, he is the CNBC technology product editor. But what I thought was interesting is when I looked him up on Twitter, is I wanted to find the actual tweet when he covered the story. Like I always pull up, sorry, that page doesn't exist. So that was kind of strange. For some reason, the tweet was deleted. But like I said, this is him right here. How to buy Ripple, one of the hottest Bitcoin competitors. So basically, once you click on this, it's going to take you to the Yahoo article. But I also tweeted this article too. This is Yahoo covering the CNBC, how to buy Ripple. Now basically, it's XRP. Like I said, this is from early January. But still, I mean, some of the mainstream attention that it got in early January. What I thought was also interesting, while trading at around 0.20 a few months ago, it is now worth more than $2.25 per coin. I know everybody's very anxious to see them prices again, and I'm pretty sure we'll blow that away, that's for sure. But Ripple isn't as easy to buy as Bitcoin and other popular cryptocurrencies. Well, that is not true now. Ripple is very easy to buy. Now here's the video I was speaking of, guys. I will leave a link in the description for this video right here. At the end of this video, Brad Garlinghouse says that it's a new world order. So that's got Twitter and the internet going crazy. But I found this article right here Shout out to Guy Puru at GU_Piro. New feature: increased XRP ledger transactions throughput to same level as Visa. Okay, that's great. And right here, we look forward to this new world order. Whoa. Where Ripple will propel the financial industry into a new definition on how value is transferred. And that's what I think, guys. It's fun to think, oh, NWO, New World Order, tinfoil hat. But at the same time, guys, we are creating a new world, a new financial system. Some people want to put the tinfoil hat on, and some people just say, hey, this technology is amazing. It's creating new opportunities. Opportunities is my hashtag for 2019. Opportunities is what XRP is creating for the people. It's amazing, that's for sure. So, this also came out. XRP emerges as Phoenix among fallen angels. Now, basically, guys, we know that XRP is sitting very comfortable in the number 2 spot now. So, pretty much, there's the Phoenix is rising articles coming out. This is the article right here. XRP emerges as the Phoenix amongst fallen angels. Now, guys, basically, where's the other one at? I had it right here somewhere. Where the hell? Oh, this came out also. Everybody's just... Oh, no, here. Where's it at? It's up here. Everybody's just really excited about XRP rising out the ashes. XRP rising from the BTC ashes, becoming number 1. And what the talk of this is, this article right here, the economics. Get ready for a world currency. And I do believe that XRP is the world global currency that they're referring to in this article. Somehow they picked it, the year that was going to happen, 2018, a world currency, digital currency. And some people say that this is, symbolizes a token. Some thought it was Bitcoin, but now we can obviously see that it's XRP. That's for sure. Okay, guys, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. The CKJ coin will pop up right now. Smash that CKJ coin to subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of things going on, guys. We had Weed Say Win, the inventor of the XRP Tipbot, on yesterday. We had Thinking Crypto about a week away. We got a couple very special guests coming up in the next few days. You definitely want to hit that CKJ coin to subscribe and that notification bell. And, guys, not to mention, if you follow me on the live streams, we're doing a massive giveaway before Christmas, and we're going to do it when the notification goes out. I'm not going to announce it on Twitter. I'm not going to announce it on YouTube. I'm going to just, when the notification goes out, that's when we're going to do the 4,000 XRP giveaway on the stream. Maybe we'll give 4 people 1,000. Maybe we'll give out 500. So I'm not really sure, but we're going to bulk it together. Alrighty, guys, thank you so much for your time. Don't forget, we do 2 streams a day. We do a stream at 11:30 a.m. Eastern every day. Start your day with CKJ. And we also do XRP After Dark at 9 p.m. every night. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. Much love to the community. Have a wonderful day.